Hey fam, Kurt with Caribbean. Let's talk about smoked pork loin. I didn't say pork tenderloin, pork loin. Large cut of pork that you can literally get for under $2 a pound, and you can create so many different recipes with it. Today, we're gonna do a smoked buffalo barbecue pork loin. Let's go. So this is about a 4.5 pound pork loin. I went ahead and applied olive oil to both sides of this. We're not gonna trim any of this fat because we wanna keep it protected while we're smoking it. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my gloves now and apply the Caribbean pork rub to the loin. Put a nice generous amount on both sides. And always remember, get the sides of your meat. Flip it over, get that fat. And we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for at least 20 minutes before putting it on the smoker. We're gonna go ahead and get our Kamado smoker preset at about 275 indirect. We'll be right back. We have our Kamado style cooker ready to go with some Royal Oak Lump charcoal. I'm gonna add 2 wax cubes, get these lit, and then we're gonna add a combination of apple and cherry wood chips once this gets going. So now that we're reaching our desired temperature, let's go ahead and add the combination of apple and cherry chips. And we're set up for indirect smoking. As you can see, both plates are in. Just drop that in. All set up for indirect. Let's go ahead and shut it, get it up to temperature, then bring our loin on. Now that we're up to temp, let's go ahead and take our pork loin, get it right in the center of the grate. And we want to make sure to get our thermometer into the center so we can get up to 140. The reason a lot of people have problems with pork loin is they take it up to 145, 150, 160, and it dries out. So we want to get this right in the center. We're going to take it up to 140, and we'll be right back. So right now we are at about 130 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and glaze the outside with our buffalo barbecue sauce. That way it will not burn for the last 10 degrees of cooking. Just get a nice even glaze on there. Make sure you get it around the sides. And we're gonna take this up to our final temp of 140. Take it inside, let it rest, and it should get up to about 145. All right, so here we have our final product. We took our pork loin up to 140, we glazed it with our buffalo barbecue sauce, and it was initially rubbed with our pork rub. Let's go ahead and get a slice and see how this came out. And there we have it. Nice, juicy pork loin. Not dried out, with our buffalo barbecue glaze. Like or comment below. Kurt with Caribbean, out.